Morning, Mr. Fry's Algebra 2 class. I'm looking at the functions operation quiz for April 13th. I just want to read through this and maybe give you some things verbally, maybe write a few things down for you to make sure you're okay with this. Okay, it says to perform the given function operation for the following functions, show all work and steps necessary. So for number one, we have f of x and we have g of x. We have these two different functions listed here. So for A, what you are to do is to add these two together, okay, when it is just x. So just leave it in terms of x and add these two together. So essentially you're going to combine like terms. And if I'm adding a negative, I could just write, negative 7x, I'm adding this, so I don't really have to change signs or anything. And so you're just going to combine like terms. So x squared would stay the same. You can combine this 3x and this negative 7x, and you can combine this negative 2 and this positive 3. Okay, and then you'll be done. This one is when f is 3, so just plug in a 3 wherever you see for the f of x function. When x is 3 for the f function, just plug in a 3 wherever you see x, work that problem out, and then subtract it from when the x is 6. So we just plug in, negative 7 times 6, so that'd be negative 42 plus 3, whatever that is, you're going to subtract that from that first problem. That's all you're going to do with that. For C, what you're going to do is you're just going to multiply them together. So you're going to do, double distribution. So you could have your x squared, that's an ugly x, sorry, plus 3x minus 2. And you're going to multiply it times negative 7x plus 3. Okay, multiply those together. And then you're going to, for D, you want to do the function, the f function over the g function divided when you have it as 2. So you're going to throw in 2 for your x values and to go ahead and divide them. So, throw 2 in for the first one. That will be the numerator, and the denominator is going to be the g. Throw a 2 in for your x and go ahead and work that out. So that would be 1. And then 2, we have new functions. We have f of x and g of x looking new over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to multiply them when x is 4. So you're just going to plug in 4s and then multiply all that out. And then you're going to plug in a 3 for this one, and you're going to subtract them. Okay, so it's going to, kind of look like this. 3 2 minus 5 times 3. And then it's minus the g, so minus 10 times 3. Okay, so wherever you saw an x, it becomes a 3. And then this one, the f is going to be 4, so you're going to have 4 in there. So 3, 4 squared minus 5, and you have the 4. And that's going to be times g when x is negative 2. So 10 and negative 2. Okay, kind of like that. Okay, I don't know why it's blurry. There we go. Hopefully that's helpful to you, and good luck on this quiz.